Gyrosphere has failed. So this is our gyro number 2, and the annual service technician comes, he inspects the gyro, and this is how he's turning to open the screws, nuts and bolts to loosen it. That's our actual gyrosphere. That's what he's removing. You can see. You see the liquid there inside. Perfect. So this is the gyro he's opening now. This is annual service of gyro.
And then your little people thought
See,
I'm
from
peeing,
here,
you know?
this is how you drain the gyro.
Because gyro settling takes some time. Open already.
Where is he now? Downside he goes.
This is how the gyrosphere looks like. You see, this is the gyrosphere. Made in Japan. Very heavy to lift. He's installing the new gyrosphere.
You came on that boat.
The technician is installing. That's the gyrosphere liquid. The gyrosphere is topped up with liquid.
बोट वाले को भेजना है जो भी पेपर साइन करेंगे
जी दो पेपर पैसा 22 टोटल हो जाएगा. He's adding the mercury again, you see that? He's adding mercury into it. See, that is the mercury which settles down there.
And then what is this?
Insulator.
No!
This is the old liquid, the gyro liquid. This is the gyrosphere. So this is where you can see he adds the mercury and the insulator.
Safety
This is an insulator. It's boxing it up again.
coming out from the rebound area, rebound.
Sir, what is this water?
Gyro.
This is all supporting liquid.
Gyrosphere supporting liquid. He'll be adding it now. See, he's already put in this sphere. He'll be topping this cover also now.
Very easy. So next time electrician you can do. But after you do, I don't know. Don't call me. Later I won't leave you my phone number. You know, many times, she say, wow, so easy. The Chinese say, so easy. Why my company give you earn this money? Okay, good luck. When my phone ring, no, I'm on board other vessel. They pay for my service. That's your problem. Correct. So next year, your office confirm asking you. What's so difficult? Pour out and pour in only, man. This is my friend.
He may be there. Port side.
There's the extra fluid he's removing.
Overflow, my friend. Come, my friend. Give me your belt.
Give me a ball.
Oh my God, your mind is corrupted.
Who is love?
Gyro too good.
Leon Kintai,